All right. So speaking of the rest of us who don't qualify for Lux Black or Black, unfortunately, we are at the whims sometimes of Uber X and Lyft Regular, which we all know how that looks today. And according to the Forbes article, it's down 11 or 12% or something from year over year when it came from, pre during the rate card to post, which is upfront earnings. So yeah, a little bit of a rate cut there. And yeah, basically, what are drivers doing now? I mean, are they sitting there taking more rides? What are they doing? Are they doing a little cash rides on the side, a little friends and family discount? What's going on, Sergio?
Uh, okay, as Shaka Bimb, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. And I will say it 10 more times, but it's Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com if you guys want to contact me. Look, we don't call these cash trips, okay? Cash trips are not allowed on the platform. However, they're friends and relatives. And, I know a lot of drivers who do a lot of trips for friends and relatives. And they're kind of forced to do it because the trips are not worth doing on the platform. I mean, it is what it is. Let's call it the way it is. And I'm not going to say do it. If you're going to do it properly, like Will did, right? I mean, he did it properly. But a lot of people do it, and it is one accident away from disaster, as far as I'm concerned. I mean, and but Uber, I think this is from Mississippi. Uber is figuring this shit out. Although Uber, maybe you should figure out all the fake accounts that I saw the other day on Facebook. Maybe you should figure that shit out. There you go, Brandon. You're dropping down, huh? Okay, good luck. Yeah, there you go. Well, no, you get it black and do black. You can do black, I guess. So this is from Mississippi. Regulatory information. As a reminder, Mississippi law prohibits solicitation or acceptance of cash payments from passengers. Payments for transportation services provided by driver partners may only be made electronically through the Uber app. Okay, we all know that, Uber. Except that when you pay shit, people do things. And hey, I think, look, I'm not going to tell you not to do it, but I'm also going to say, please be careful doing these things with friends and family. You don't want to be in trouble with the law or with insurance companies or anything else. And I think this way, is another way of moving up, right, in classes, or do it properly and create your own small business and get rid of Uber and Lyft. I mean, ultimately, that's there's one thing that the rideshare professor says, right? You just move up in class, and create your own LLC, and you don't need like a Cadillac Escalade to start it. If you have a decent car or an SUV type of car, you can do it. And creating LLC is cheap. I know commercial insurance is expensive, but if you're going to do it properly. Doing it this way may get you in trouble, and you don't want that trouble. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.